Always new. Oh, so rusty. How to open? There's a difference. So, how can we open this rusty bolt? I use these pliers. First I hit with hammer, and then I'll just try to open it. And it works, you know. Thanks to Lord. Oh, it's great. Yeah, it's nice. And you know, inside the thread is like new. Great, you know. So, what is this? It's stuck already. It's rusty. Oh yeah, it's one more problem. Okay. I can use little spray. Oh, it's moving. Whoa. Oh, its thread is okay. Should find new bolt. Will be okay. Always new. There's a difference. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like for good luck. Yoo!